Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Daniel. So in this quick video, I will show you how to save your layers as a LUT. So this is the image we just retouched not too long ago. So I'll go ahead and deselect every image here, same as the skin work, same as this. So what we are going to have is the whole color work that we did for the image. So let me ungroup this layer so that you can see what I mean. This is the picture image when we got it from Capture One Pro. Then this is our skin work, the dodge and burn, and the eye cleanup. This is the headgear that we changed the color. Now this is the color grade. It comprises of the photo filter, the black and white, the gradient map, selective color, and levels. So all these things are in equal proportion, and I want to save it as a LUT. So first thing first, we'll uncheck everything here. We'll uncheck everything. So what we'll have left is going to be the adjustments that we have, layers upon layer. So we want to save it as a LUT. What we'll have to do is go to our file, click on export, then look for color lookup tables. That's what you're going to be using. You click on color lookup tables. This is the name of the file, that's the description. Here you can put whatever you want to put, but for the sake of this video, I will just leave it like this. So I will uncheck every of this. I would like to use .cube, depending on what you want, but you can still leave the other four checked. So I'll click on OK. I'll be prompted to select the name of what I'm going to title my name. So I'm going to say Danny Melanin Plus. Okay, so I'll save this on my So as you can see now, this is saved as a LUT. So let's check it out and see if it's going to work. I'm going to check everything here. I'll leave this to this level now here. I will go to color lookup. I will click on load 3D LUT. Now go to the folder where I saved my color lookup. Click on Danny Melanin Plus. And voila, this is our LUT. So let me know if you need the LUT. I will upload it and send it to you. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.